Little adventurers, have you ever found something that wasn't yours? What did you do? Little adventurers, did you tell someone about it? Or did you give it back right away? Ah, beautiful. Honesty in the air. Now, today's story takes us to a quiet West African village, Ghana, where golden grain feels stretched as far as the eye can see. Here lives a tiny brown bird, cheerful, curious, and kind. But one day, she finds something special that will test her heart. Hello, little adventurers, and welcome to Little Adventures by Akosua. Little adventurers, are you ready for a brand new story from our African village? Let's get comfy. Open your big imagination. I can feel your excitement already. Now, let's step into today's adventure together. All right, little adventurers, it's time to grab your adventure hat. Yes, the one that helps you imagine big. Put it on your head. Little adventurers and kind grown-ups, if you love stories that sparkle with wisdom and joy, please don't forget to subscribe for more adventures from our African village. And please share this story with someone who loves learning and laughter, because stories grow brighter when shared. Little adventurers, stay with us. There are so many more stories waiting under the African sky, filled with wisdom, laughter, and love. Tap the next tale on your screen or visit our village home on YouTube, because here the stories never truly end. Little adventurers, let's dive into the story of the honest bird and the lost grain. Little adventurers, one bright morning, bird hopped between the stalks of grain. Suddenly, she saw it, a small cluster of golden grains shimmering in the sunlight. Oh, how it sparkles, she checked. It will look perfect in my nest. But just then, she heard a voice. Mother hen flapping her wings sadly. Oh no, my small cluster golden grains. I have dropped it somewhere in the field. Bird looked down at her claws. This must be hers, she whispered. Her heart began to beat fast. Little adventurers, what do you think bird will do? Say it loud. Keep it or give it back? Bird flew to her friend Monkey for advice. Monkey, I found this small cluster of golden grains, but it belongs to Mother Hen. What should I do? Little adventurers, Monkey laughed, swinging from a branch. Keep it. No one saw you take it. A little secret never hurts. Little adventurers, the bird shook her head. But my heart saw it, she said softly. So the bird flew back to Mother Hen's hut. Excuse me, Mother Hen, bird checked. I think I found something that belongs to you. Mother Hen's eyes widened with joy. Oh, little bird, you are small, but your heart is as golden as this grain. Little adventurers, little bird returned the grain she found. and her heart felt light, like sunshine after rain. Have you ever found something that wasn't yours? Maybe a shiny pencil on a school playground, or the last sweet hiding under the chair. Little adventurers, what did you do? Would you give it back, just like our honest bear did? That evening, the village gathered under the Baobab tree. Elder Tortoise smiled. Today, our little bird reminded us that truth is stronger than pride. Everyone clapped and sang together. Honesty builds peace. Honesty brings joy. Mother hen shared roasted corn and warm smiles, and the moon watched proudly over the honest little bird. The fire crackled softly, and the moon smiled above. Mother hen said, honesty isn't something you wear once. It's something you carry every day. Little adventurers, what about you? When do you think honesty matters most? At school? When helping a friend? Or when no one is watching at all? Little adventurers, the night settled over the village like a soft blanket. The fire's last flame flickered, and little bird sat quietly beside Mother Hen. No trophies, no prizes, just peace. Little adventurers, can you feel that too? The warm, quiet feeling when you do the right thing. It's your heart whispering, well done. Little adventurers, did you know that in many African villages, farmers grow grains like millet, sorghum, and maize? These golden grains are used to make delicious porridge and sometimes roasted, just like Mother Hen's corn. Little adventurers, and guess what? Birds really help farmers too. They eat insects that try to spoil the crops. So, in many stories, birds are seen as keepers of the harvest. Little adventurers, cultural note. In many African villages, honesty is more than just good manners. It's a sign of respect for the community. When someone does something honest, elders often bless them with good words or a small gift of food, just like Mother Hen shared her roasted corn. Little adventurers, what do you think makes a person trustworthy? Is it what they say or what they do when no one is watching? In our villages, we say truth may walk slowly, but it always reaches home. What does honesty mean to you, little adventurers? Can you think of one honest thing you can do today? Little adventurers, let's think. Let's think for a moment. Have you ever had a moment like our honest bird, where you had to choose between keeping something and giving it back? Sometimes being honest can feel hard at first, but it always brings peace to your heart later, just like sunshine after the rain. Little adventurers, positive reminder. Every time you choose honesty, you make your world a little brighter. Even small truth can grow into something big and beautiful, just like the golden grain in our story. So, wherever you go, at school, at home, or in your heart, let honesty be your light. Little adventurers, thank you so much for joining our story today. You listened with kind hearts and brave minds, and that makes every tale shine brighter. Little adventurers, please don't forget to subscribe so we can share more magical moments together. And remember, when you share a story, you share a little bit of kindness with the world. Little adventurers, as the night grew quiet and the stars blinked above our village, a tiny spark began to glow beyond the fields. It wasn't a lantern. It wasn't the moon. It was a firefly, a brave little one who refused to hide when the rain began to fall, while others tucked their wings and waited for the storm to pass. She whispered, "Even the rain can't stop my light." What do you think would happen next, little adventurers? Did her glow fade in the storm? Or did she dance? Stay tuned if you are ready to find out in our next magical story. Little adventurers, until next time, may your hearts stay honest, your words stay kind, and your stories always shine with light. The drums of the village will call again soon, and when they do, we will be waiting right here, ready for another tale beneath the African sky. Bye, little adventurers. Bye-bye. Bye.